got a telephone. You got a telephone? You have a telephone yet? You have a telephone you can call people? You got a telephone you can call people? Can you call people?
In Northern California, bus drivers then spotted the boy and the suspect on his bus. The suspect arrested. The boy was not harmed. Hero driver.
He trying to catch a bus with a boy he done kidnapped and the driver said not on this bus.
American Hero with a chance tomorrow.
Are you serious?
Triple Crown winner for 11 years.
That's my little boo. That's Jaren. Say hi, Jaren. Hey, Jaren.
It's a baby.
Hey, Jaren.
Baby.
That's hi, Jaren.
Baby.
Jaren, say hi, baby.
Hi, baby. What's your name?
See the fan doing now?
I was gonna ride a car and stuff. And look, somebody was sitting on the porch. I couldn't stop and ride. There was
Spin
some man
around.
sitting on the steps.
Oh, make a little burp.
Eggs, bacon, bread, sausage.
I'm a black nigga, so she still take my sausage.
I eat pancakes with my sausage.
You ain't funny, you ugly nigga. You don't make me pull this trigger. Eggs, bacon, grits,
Sausage.
You ugly nigga, but you still get the sausage.
I'm a white nigga, but I do stuff like a man.
You can't rhyme. I think it's my prime time. You is a lame. You don't got no game in the Rap Hall of Fame.
Sausage. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. Sausage.
I did a post on YouTube.